Hi everyone, Tom Gourley here with Powered, and in this video I'm going to talk about the best breakfast option for maintaining or losing weight, specifically losing body fat. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the foods that I typically avoid and the reason why I avoid them. Typically when you first wake up in the morning, you're going to still have some hormone release of growth hormone and cortisol. Now, a lot of people are scared of cortisol. It is a catabolic hormone, meaning it breaks down tissue, but typically in the evening and when you're sleeping in a fasted state, it's breaking down fat tissue. So I want those beneficial hormones to still go to work for me a couple hours. So I'll wait a couple hours after I wake up before I have my first meal. Next, I'm going to avoid carbohydrates. And again, carbohydrates will typically spike insulin levels, and that's going to stop those beneficial hormones right away. Also, our cells are most sensitive to insulin in the morning as long as we don't have any type of metabolic disorders such as diabetes. So I'm going to have fats. I'm looking for beneficial fats. I like to have fats such as coconut oil in the morning, avocado. Sometimes I'll have my omega-3 fish oils in the morning. So those are the things I like to have first. If you're having your morning coffee, a lot of times people like to do what they call like bulletproof coffee and add heavy cream and different things that aren't going to spike your insulin to that. A lot of people are also starting to add protein to their coffee as well, where it's a great option where you can actually use our Pro Pump to add, enhance your coffee with some protein as well. In terms of protein, I do like to have eggs in the morning. You've got to be a little careful with eggs because of the high leucine content. You can spike insulin. So again, it's important that you're not taking any kind of carbohydrates in like you typically would in the morning with those sugary breakfast cereals, with hash browns, with toast. You definitely want to avoid those things in the morning. It's much better to have those things post-workout.